as me, I do like this. And I always talk am. Say, if we get good government, we no go dey like this. Our problem na bad government. The politicians, they talk say our problem na because we, the youth, we dey carry gun. Na we dey use, they carry the hijack ballot box. Na we dey use to do this, to do that. Who they give us the money to go do am? Who they tell us to go do am? Who they arrange us to go do am? Who they push us to go do am? Who they make us do am? They don't give us food to eat. We don't get food. And they like this, work day, but their children, no, they allow us see the work. They go declare opportunity for NNPC. People like me and you no go see opportunity to work there. They go declare opportunity for CBN. People like us don't see opportunity to work there. But when it comes to cleaner, they go remember us. When it comes to ballot box hijacking, they go remember us. When it comes to hijacking of everything, they go remember us. As we talk like this, even though my sister no go appeal, but I go still talk am. Because as it dey like this, our Nigerian government no respect constitution again. So I ask government in place and I ask government institution, if our politicians, our government wey dey in place, no dey respect constitution. Now me want make I respect constitution. You say make we build the youth. You say make we plan something wey go good for the youth. But then me, I dey encourage many youth go into violence. Me too, no go also advise any youth to go into violence. We go try the best what we fit do as a youth. We go support ourselves, but we still want make our government support us. Because if the government don't support us, how will they succeed? And some of us know they fit take care of our parents again because we don't get what to do to survive. But government get everything to help us to survive. But are they supporting us? I want to send a message, and I say that today, the youth of Nigerians youth are not happy. And I am one of those Nigerians youth that is not happy. I am not happy because Nigeria has what it takes to make every Nigerian's youth a millionaire. I'm not happy because we have the resources in this country. We have what it takes to better the life of our youth in this country. But as we speak today, just one man want to own the whole River State. Just one man want to own the whole Nigeria. Just one man want to own everything that we have. We must also send a message to our president, Tinubu, that Nigeria's youth are not happy. If you want a re-election, come 2027, this is the right time for us to talk to Mr. President. This is an International Youth Day to tell Mr. President that youth of Nigerians are not happy. This is the best time. We must not keep celebrating a government that is not responsible for our well-being, a government that do not care for us. And then tomorrow you say our vote count. Our vote does not count. Our vote does not count. So if we must take our state and take our country back, we should learn by 2027. Me, I go vote for who I want to vote for. I don't know about you. I don't know about any other person. But now me, I go vote. Nobody go pay me to vote for who I don't go vote for. Now who my mind tell me say he go do well, or if he do well, now I go vote for. If Mr. President, I must mention his name because our president, if Tinubu want us, Nigeria's youth, to vote for him, then he should correct his mistake now. He should correct his mistake now. If you want us to go, if Mr. President, Tinubu want us to vote for him, he must correct his mistake today. If Nyesom want us to vote for Tinubu, he must correct his mistake today. That is what we want. They have all make mistakes. If we make mistakes, they send us to prison. But when they make mistakes, who send them to prison? If we commit crime, we go thief bread. Person no get money, hunger day, no food to eat. You go thief bread, they go put you for prison. You go thief small money, they go use 200 naira, they go put you for prison. But when they go thief billions, nobody go see them for prison. Nobody go see them for prison. Now, if you control like that, how will they listen to them? We're not going to listen to them like that. So if they want us to listen, this is a waterfront. On a very good day, in a waterfront like this, waterfront is one of the best environments to live in the Western world. Waterfront is one of the best places you can ever live outside Nigeria. Waterfront is a place where there is tourism, then you have what it takes. If you enter, sit down, you go enjoy yourself. If heat the worry you, if not their house, you go just sit down for waterfront. You gonna enjoy. You're gonna happy because the environment is very okay. But say our waterfront, So other front na toilet you go embrace. But other front na not where we go see. Because government don't plan well for us. If government plan well for us, this place will come here. People go pay gate fee to enter because you go find too much. But because government don't care, that is what we are seeing today. So I want to send a message before I drop the phone that our Nigerian government, our President Tinubu, should understand that the fate of 2027 lies in the welfare of Nigerians youth. That if he refuses to take care of Nigerians youth will not vote for him in 2027. Thank you very much.
Wanna clap.